So good evening everyone. Good evening. So I think this problem we done in the last class. Can you see one time? I think we done this problem in the last class. Please verify one time. We done or not verify? In the last class we done this. What will be the output of this program? This problem we done in the last class. Check properly. So it will go until here. It will go until here. So control will come from here to here. So afterwards it will keep on printing backside. So answer is 5202. We are already done in the last class. We are already done in the last class. 5202. Yeah, let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Yeah, can you help me? What is the answer of this problem? Which of the following is valid assignment of the pointer for the given declaration? An assignment is said, right? An assignment is said to be correct one, or an assignment is a valid if both the pointers are of same type and get successfully compiled with no warning or error. So can you try what is the output of this program? Try what is the output of this program. Everyone try this. What is the output of this program? Everyone try this. Everyone try this. Is audio video okay or not? Verify. Audio video okay or not? Verify. Audio video okay or not? Verify. Everyone try this. So if you see this program, right, there is one array. If you see this program, there is one array. Name is A, which contain 5 slots. So I think it's a 1, it's a 2, remaining maybe garbage. And because of it is an integer array, everyone is 2 bytes assume. 1004, 1006, 1008. And one more, the size of this array is because of integer. In the problem, is he mentioned at anywhere size? No. So I think it right by default take the 2 bytes because of not mentioned, right? There is no need of right. What is the size and all? You take whatever. If they didn't mention means there is no need. Whenever they didn't mention what is the size of every type, most probably not needed. That may be the reason. You can take whatever way we discuss it in the classroom. Whatever way we discuss it in the classroom, like that you can go. So first one is 1000 assume, next one 1002, next one 1004, next one is 1006, next one 1008. I think 5 to 10 bytes. At the 10 bytes. Right, so we array name means first person address, whoever there here 0th place, whoever there 0th place, right, that person address. Whenever you say array name, whoever there in the first place, right, 0th index, whoever there, that person address, that's okay. So this is the first line is this. See the second line properly. So what he is saying is P is a pointer to an array which contain 5 slots, almost like this. It is a pointer to this. P is a pointer to an array which contain 5 slots. I think this array. So P pointing to that one. So let us assume that this is 1000. Whatever address is there, it will point there. But remember, P is not array, P is a pointer. P is a pointer to an array which contains 5 slots. Some people are asking, sir, P means 1000 will be printed. It's okay. But what p plus 1 will print, sir? Sir, p means 1000 will be printed. Okay. What is p plus 1 will print, sir? Remember, p is a array which contain p is a pointer pointing to an array which contain 5 slots. But when you say plus 1, it will point to one more array, next array which contain 5 slots. So it will skip 10 bytes every time. P plus 1 is going to be 1010. P is a pointer to an array which contains 5 slots. When you say P plus 1, you will go to next 5 slots. In the memory, they are available or not, doesn't matter. When you say P, right, it will go to right array which contain 5 slots. When you say P plus 1, it will go to next 5, whether they are existing or not. So remember everyone, this is almost behavior. This is almost behavior like. I think you studied or not. This is almost behavior like. So array base address you take. Normally array A means 0th person address. When you say ampersand A means total array base address. Right? Total array base address is 1000. Okay. But total array base address plus 1, this is going to be 1010. So it is almost like this. So remember, P is nothing but almost like this. P is almost ampersand A. P is not A because A is a array. P is a pointer. P is almost like ampersand A. So P plus 1 is 1010. Ampersand A plus 1 also 1010. So remember, because of A is array to get the data, 1 star required. Because of it is a ampersand A to get the data, 2 stars required. So from the P also to get the data, 2 stars required. From the P also to get the data, 2 stars required. From the ampersand A to get the data, 2 stars required. See, in this area to get the data, 2 stars required. In this area to get the data, 2 stars required. Try to understand. So P is equal to A is not correct one. P is equal to ampersand A is correct one. P and ampersand A same. Because of they are same, right? As he mentioned, an assignment is valid if both the pointers are of same type. So this person also to get the data, 2 stars required. This person also to get the data, 2 stars required. But here to get this person to get the data here, 2 stars required, but here only 1 required. That is the reason it is failed. But to get the data here, 2 stars required here also 2 stars required here. Now, if you observe clearly here, to get the data here, 2 stars required, but at star A itself is address, at star A means data. Here data came after 2 stars, but here data came after 1 star. So this is wrong. So here 2 stars required to get the data. Here to get the data, already data came. No stars required. No stars required. So this is also fail. It's a wonderful problem. It's a wonderful problem. I don't know how many people got it. I don't know how many people got it. So please let me know. Please let me know. Are you okay or not? Please let me know. Are you okay or not? Are you able to hear me? First of all, are you able to hear me? Hello? अरे बोल दो यार. Are you able to hear me? Yeah. Perfect then. Right? You are able to hear me. Perfect. So the answer for this problem is this. Now let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Yeah. What is the answer of this? Some options are there. That's fine. But can you try what is the answer of this? Similar problem I am given. What is the answer of this problem? What is the answer of this problem? Yeah, go ahead. Similar problem I given. Try what is the output of this program, or what is the answer of this problem. Yeah, let me give answer. I'm giving the answer. Let me give answer once. Let me give answer once. I'm giving the answer. I'm giving the answer. Let me give. Let me go to the problem. Let me go to the problem. Wait. Yeah. So options, forget about options. I'm giving the answer. Everyone see. Everyone see. So P is a pointer to an array which contain 5 slots. But when you say P plus 1, when you say P plus 1, I think 10 bytes will increase. But remember, E is given. Given that system has 8 bytes of address size, 8 bytes of address size and 4 bytes of integer size. So integer is 4 bytes. P is a pointer pointing to 4 5 20. When you say P plus 1, next 20, next 20, next 20. So I think answer is C. 5020. 5020. Whatever you said, you are correct. Whatever you said, you are correct. Yeah, can you go to next problem? Yeah, what is the answer of this? Try everyone. Everyone try. What is the answer of this problem? Yeah, let me give the answer. Let me give the answer. I think many people may be tried, so I am giving the answer. Many people may be tried, I am giving the answer. So please check properly. Please check properly. P and star star P. Let's check. Let's check. T is a array. T is a array which contain 4 slots. 6045. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is T. It is 1000. And one more integer array, 2 bytes. Integer array, 2 bytes. So int x, right? X also there, that's okay. First line is completed. See the second line, p is a pointer, right? P is a pointer. Double p is a double pointer. Double pointer. It may be having 2000 address, it may be having 3000 address. So this also completed. Now p is equal to t. P is equal to t, so 1000. So you will point to 1000. Okay. Now double p is equal to ampersand p. So ampersand p means p address 2000 you are given. So you will point to here. That is also okay. Until now it's perfect. Now if you observe clearly, now see this one. PP means 2000, right? Star and plus star is higher priority. Star PP means star 2000 means 1000. Star 1000. The value inside 1000 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So first printf will print 8. So everywhere 8 there. Everywhere 8 there. So then wait. Next one. So PP is going to be 2000. Star 2000 is going to be 1000. 1000. Right? 1000 plus 1. Remember 1000 is the array. See this one. When you say 1000, it is the array. In the arrays plus 1 means, right? So one element will skip. So it's a 1002. It is a 1002. Right, outside there is a one more star, right? Star 1002, 0 will be printed. So 8080, either C or D. Star 1002 means 0 will be printed. Now see the last one. P is 1000. P plus 2 is wherever P pointing, P plus 2, 2 people skip. So you will be here. Next one, star for this star, right? So I think it is going to be 1004. Star 1004 is going to be the value inside 1004, so 4. Right? Check properly. So P is going to be 1000. P plus 2 is 1004. Star 1004 means 4. So I think 804. So answer is D. Answer is D. Answer is D. So where is the question of coming? Right, last one as 8. What is the way? I think it's not possible. So P is 1000. P is 1000. Right, next one, P plus 2 means 2 element will skip 1004. Star 1004, the value inside 1004 is 4. 804 will be printed. 804 will be printed. I hope everyone is okay with this. Answer is a D. So in examination, these kind of things only will come. You don't do big problems. Don't do big problem. In examination, these kind of things only will come. In exam, these kind of things only will come. Small twist will be there. Small twist will be there. So can you try this? Can you try this? What is the answer of this? In examination, small twists will be there. Small twist will be there in the exam. Which one of the following function declaration can be passed to the following array? Which one of the following function declaration can be passed for the following array? Means when you are passing this array to a function, how you pass? When you are passing indirectly, this problem is saying that when you pass array to a function, how you pass the array to function? How you pass? Remember everyone, it is a 2D array. 2D array. When you are passing 2D array, compulsory 2 brackets required. So you kept 2 brackets. Compulsory 2 brackets required. 2D array you are passing to a function. So because of 2D array, 2 brackets required. Okay, all contain 2 brackets. All contain 2 brackets. That is perfect. All contain 2 brackets. That is perfect. Now see this one. 2D array you are passing. It is a rows and columns. Remember everyone. If anyone don't know, in the 2D array, you are passing the 2D array. So 2 brackets required. So rows and column. Remember, columns are compulsory. So here column is not there. So it is wrong. Here column is not there. It is wrong. Here column is there. Yes. Here also column is there. So number of columns you have to pass. Rows you will pass on, doesn't matter. When you are passing 2D array to a function, Because of 2D array, two brackets are required. 2D array, the condition is you have to mention number of columns. If you don't mention number of rows, there is no problem. Number of columns you have to mention. Number of columns you have to mention. So please careful. Number of columns you have to mention. In the 2D array, you have this flexibility. Rows, whether you mention or not, doesn't matter. Number of columns you have to mention. So from the right hand side, compulsory you have to mention. So like this. So here in this case, two things you have to mention. So in this case, right, one thing, right hand side, one thing you have to mention. If it is a right, if it is only 1D, you have to mention. If it is only 1D, you have to mention. Otherwise, problem will come. 1D, you have to mention. 2D, you can ignore one. 3D, you can ignore one. Every time you can ignore one. Every time you can ignore one. One you can ignore. But whenever 1D, you have to mention. Whenever 1D, you have to mention. Right? So suppose, isn't that some people are saying, sir, I don't want to mention, sir. Sir, I don't want to mention, sir. If you don't want to mention, give number of element. Like this is wrong. Like this is wrong. Int A, it is wrong. But int A is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is right. So here in this way, you no need to mention this. Right? You no need to mention this. Right? So 2D, 1 you can escape. 3D, 1 you can escape. 1D, you can escape this also if you give elements like this. If you give elements like this, right, you can pass like this also. 2D, right, rows you can skip. 3D, column, right, columns also you have to give, rows also you have to give. This one you no need to give. What I, if anyone confused because of my sentences and all, if anyone confused, I am just saying to you, leftmost one you no need to give. Right, leftmost one you can skip. Leftmost one you can keep gap. But right hand side, all the things you have to fill. So remember, C also correct answer, D also correct answer. C also correct answer, D also correct answer. 2D array. Number of rows no need to mention. Column you have to mention. 3D array, right? Rows also you have to mention. Columns also you have to mention. 1D array. If you give like this, you no need to mention. If you write like this, you no need to mention. So if you don't give elements, then you have to mention the size. You have to mention the size. Answer for this problem is C and D. Can you try this? What is the answer of this problem? Can you try this? What is the answer of this problem? Can you try this? What is the answer of this problem? What will be the output of the following program? Yeah, this is going to be a little tricky. This is going to be a little tricky. Can you try this? Try everyone. What is the answer of this? Let's see how many people will give. Try everyone. Yeah, so I think many people done. Many people done. So I will check once. Many people done. I will check once. This may be small, tricky one. So let's see. I given enough time also. I will try. I given enough time also. Let's try. So 5 will go here. 5 will go here. See the answer. ABC of I, where I is 5. So remember here local variable I5. Here local variable I5. So if anyone having doubt, here local variable I is 5. Here local variable I is 5. Now see inside. Now see inside. If minus minus I value 5, minus 5, it became, see this one, it became 4. So if 4 condition true, remember if true, you have to execute inside 2 people. If it is true, you have to execute 2 people, 1 also, 2 also. Let's go for 1. Let's go for 1. What is the 1? ABC of I plus plus. As of now, I value 4. 4 plus plus is 4 only. 4 plus plus is 4 only because it is a post incrementation. So here I, where I is 4. Where I is 4. So try to understand. This is the current status. This is the current status, right? ABC of I plus plus. I value is 4. 4 plus plus is 4 only. So 4 will go. From here, 4 will go. Like previously 5 going, now 4 will go. Now 4 will go. Please try to understand. Right? Now one more interesting thing is, whenever you are there in this function, you said I plus plus, it will increment to 5. It will increment to 5. In which function series one? See everyone here. So condition is true, 1 means here you done plus plus, in this function you done plus plus, so it will increase. After sending the value 4, then I value become 5 here. It's a very tricky problem. right? Fine, fine. Now see ABC, same story. So what is the I value? 4 in this box. Minus minus 4 becomes 3. So condition is true. If condition is true, if 3 true, 1 and 2 I have to execute. So if you see the 1, again plus plus you are doing. 3 plus plus is 3 only. So ABC of 3, I value 3 here. ABC of 3, I value 3 here. But in this one, it will increment to 4. Right? As usual here, same story. So I value is now 3. 3 minus minus is going to be 2 here. So if 2 condition is true, then I have to execute 1 also, 2 also. What is the 1 here? Let's see the 1. What is the 1 here? So because of you done plus plus, right? Because of you done plus plus, you will change, okay, but this is going to be ABC of, right? It's going to be ABC of 1. I, where I is 1 here. Where I is 1 here. Right? Let me check here. So this is going to be, I think, a 3. It is changed to 3. Change it to 3. So I think it is a 5. It is a 4. It is a 3. I think this is going to be 2, right? This is going to be 2. This is going to be 2. Now let me check. Let me check. Minus minus, it became minus minus, it became 1. So if one condition is 2, if one condition is 2, so 1, 2 I have to execute. What is the 1 here? What is the 1 here? So because of you done plus plus, right? Plus plus post incrementation, ABC of 1 only will go, but this will become 2. Now ABC of 1 is going on. ABC of 1 is going on. ABC of 1, if you observe, ABC of 1, if you observe, I value is 1 here. Right, let me check here. Let me check here. I value is 1 here. Now minus minus 1, it became 0. Minus minus 1, it will become 0. If 0 condition is fail, you will come out. When you come out, at this place, you have to print 2. 2 will print. So after coming back, at this place, you have to print 2. 3 will print. Right, when you come back, at this place, you have to print 2. 4 will print. Right, at this place, you have to print 2. 5 will print. It's one of the nice problem. It's one of the nice problem. A will be the answer. It is an excellent problem. If anyone is not getting, you try afterwards. If anyone is not getting, you try afterwards. It's one of the nice problem. It's one of the nice problem. You please try one time. You please try one time. It's one of the nice problem. Banu, Banu, you are giving most of the questions right. Banu, you are giving most of the questions are right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Banu. Most of the questions you are giving right. Yeah, let's go. If anyone is not getting, this problem, if anyone not getting, you can recheck one more time. If anyone is not getting, you can recheck one more time. Suppose you are not getting, sir, ready, sir, I didn't get. Please recheck. Please recheck. Answer is option A. It's one of the tricky problem. It's one of the tricky problem. One of the tricky problem. Answer is option A. Let's go to next problem. Yeah, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? What is the answer of this? Please try everyone. Please try everyone. Yeah. So let's try what the answer. What is the answer for this? So many people may be tried. So let me give the answer. So small adjustments are there, please verify. Small adjustments are there, please verify. So I am trying this. So let's check. So 0 comma 6 will go. So 0 will go here, 6 will go here. Okay. 0 comma 6. 0 will go there, 6 will go there. Okay, that's fine. Now 0 less than or equal to 6. Condition true. Right? Condition true. Come inside. Int m is equal to a plus b by 2. 6 by 2. So 3. M is 3. So now 3, if this condition is true, see, remember this condition is true, you have to execute inside these statements. These statements you have to execute. Whenever condition is true, these you have to execute. So first time, 3 people, right? 3 people I have to execute. As of now, if you see current status, print m. So 3 will be printed first. Next one, mystery of a comma m minus 1. Mystery of a comma m minus 1. Here previous one is what? Mystery of, so let me write. Previously mystery of AB if you observe 0, 6. Now here if you see mystery of a comma, I think A not updated anything, A is 0 only. What is the m minus 1? So m became, I think, what is the answer? This is going to be actually B. Yeah, this is going to be that m minus 1. M is already here 3. M is already 3 here. So it became 2 now. Afterwards, mystery of m plus 1. A became m plus 1. So previously m is 3, it became 4. Right? So what about B? B became 6 only. B no change. 4, 6. Please let me know if I done anything wrong. 0, 2 and 4, 6. B value becomes 6. Now similar way, please go. So again here 0 less than 6 condition is true. 0 less than or equal to 2 condition is true. Go inside. What is the m value? M value becomes 1. 0 plus 2 by 2, which is going to be 1. M value becomes 1. Right? Now let's see printf. Print m. 1 will be printed. So mystery of, right, A I think no change 0, m minus 1, it became, m is already 1, 1 minus 1, so 0. Now next one, mystery of, right, what is the answer? M plus 1, 2, B, so 6, 2 comma 6. Now next one, 0, 0 called, 0 less than or equal to 0, condition is true. So 3 statements you have to execute. Condition is true, 3 statements you have to execute. Right? So let me execute. First 3 will be printed, next 1 will be printed. Someone is saying 2, please verify properly. Someone is saying 2, so please verify properly. Right? So once again, 0 comma 0, condition is true. 0 plus 0 by 2, which is going to be 0. M value 0. In this one, M value 0. Now see the answer. So print. So 0 will be printed. Right? Print m value 0 will be printed. Okay, that's fine. Printf 0 printed. Next one, mystery of. Let's see this one. Mystery of a comma a is 0. M minus 1. I think m value 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So here, see, if you see mystery of m plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So b, I think b value if you observe, right? I think b value if you observe, I think b. So let me write here. Maybe small mistakes are going on. Please verify. So a b. If you observe a here, if you observe a here, m plus 1, becomes what the answer? M is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. What the b? As of now, b is 0. So here also, let's see here. Yeah, I think this is done. Now come here. Now. What about here? What about m plus 1, 2? What is the b? B value, remember? 2 here. Now, can you come here? What about here? So m plus 1, 4. What about b here? 6 here. So like that, please verify. I may be done small mistakes. Please verify. Now, when you go to here in the next call, a value 0, 0 less than or equal to minus 1, condition is failed. So this will stop. Come here. 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. M plus 1 is going to be 1. 1 comma 0. I think a condition is true or false. A is 1. Is it true? Less than or equal to fail. This one, is it true? A is 1. 1 less than or equal to 0, fail. Is it true? 0 less than or equal to 1? So what about 1 less than or equal to this one? 1 less than or equal to 0. No. 0 less than or equal to minus 1? No. So this is fail. This is also fail. Right? Both are fail. Now come here. 2, 2. Can you do the 2, 2? So what is the answer? I think m value becomes 2 plus 2 by 2. So I think 4 by 2, 2. So there are 3 parts. So m will be printed. So 2 will be printed. Next one, mystery of. What is the first one? Mystery of, if you observe, a comma. What is the a? 2. M minus 1. So 1. Sorry, 1. Next one. If you see the next one, mystery of m plus 1, 3. So I think b value is 2. 3 less than or equal to 2, it is fail. Next one, 2 less than or equal to 1, fail. So this is also stopped. Come here. What about 4 comma 6? So 10 by 2, 5. 5 will be printed. Next one, mystery of a comma 4 comma m minus 1. I think 5 minus 1, 4. Right? 4. Next one, mystery of. So m plus 1, I think 6 comma. Right? B. So 6 on 6 comma 6. So let's go to 4 comma 4. Condition is true. 4 comma 4, which will goes to 8 by 2. So 4. M is 4. So now see the 3 statements. Print 4 will be printed. Mystery of. So what is the A? Mystery of, what is the A? 4. M minus 1, so 3. What about here? Mystery of m plus 1. 4 plus 1, which is going to be 5. Right? So this is 4. I think this will also stop. Right? So I think this is completed. Now let's come to this also. This also very interesting problem. Please careful. 6 plus 6. I think m value becomes 6. So 3 parts. 6 will be printed first. Then mystery of. Please verify properly. A value 6. M minus 1, so 5. Next one, mystery of m plus 1, 7. So 6. 7 less than or equal to 6, fail. 6 less than or equal to 5, fail. So this also completed. So this also completed. So answer is, I think this is the answer. Answer is this one. So 31025546. Please verify properly, everyone. 3102546. 3102546. Can you verify properly, everyone? Can everyone verify properly? Everyone, can you verify properly? Am I done anything wrong in the flow? Please check. Am I done anything wrong in the flow? Please verify. Ready, sir? I'm thinking this answer. I'm thinking this answer. You given this answer. Let me know. Let me know if anything wrong I done. Anyone? Check. I may be done wrong. In the flow, I may be done wrong. In the flow, I may be done wrong. I am also checking. I am also checking. I may be done wrong. Can you verify properly? Can you verify properly? In the flow, I may be done wrong. Can you verify properly? 3102546. Yeah, exactly same. So these kind of questions you can expect in the exam. These kind of questions you can expect in the exam. This may come in the exam. This may come in the exam. Previous one also may come in the exam. This also can come in the exam. This also can come in the exam. This also. That's the reason these became expected questions. Can you go to next problem? Can you go to next problem? What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? Inserting into an AVL tree with n nodes requires log n rotations. Log n rotations. Yeah, maximum log n. An element n nodes log n rotations. Deletion or insertion? Deletion or insertion? Insertion na? Insertion na only one. Insertion is only one. Deletion is log n. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Insertion is one. Deletion is log n. Deletion log n rotations. Insertion is one. Yeah, now come here. Now. What is the answer of this? Let's check what is the answer of this. Let's check. I think in the yesterday we done one problem similar. Yesterday one problem similar. So it is the x. It is the x. So there are three people. It is going to be 1,000. So I think it is going to be 20 bytes. It is going to be 8 bytes. It is also 8 bytes. So I think 20 plus 16, 36 bytes. It is 1,036. This is going to be B, this is going to be A, this is going to be P. BAP. Okay, that's fine. So here, I think here prep is stored because of array only. Prep is stored here. Here, I think it's a pointer. Somewhere tool will be stored. I think here address 1036. Right here, if you observe, gate will be stored. If you observe here, exam will be stored here. Here, if you store 1000, that is also okay. Yeah, everything is fine. So P is a pointer pointing to X, right? So which is going to be 1000. Yeah, everything is fine now. Now let's execute this. Right? Small trick there here. Let's execute. P plus plus arrow P arrow B plus plus, right? But interesting thing is because of their post incrementation, it will goes to P arrow P arrow B, because they are post incrementation, they will affect afterwards. So it don't affect here, right? So it is also don't affect here. Please be careful. This will become like this. So what is the P contain 1000? P contain is 1000. P contain 1000. What is the meaning of P arrow P? If you want, you can check. Arrow symbol having left to right associativity. Arrow symbol having left to right associativity. Please see the priority list one time. Left to right associativity. See the table one time. Arrow symbol having left to right associativity. So 1000 arrow P will be done first. Arrow B. So 1000 arrow P means star 1000 dot P. Go inside 1000 dot P. So this one. It will become 1036. Arrow B, which is going to be star 1036. So dot B. So go inside that dot B. B means this. B. So finally it will print, the gate will be printed. The output of this one is gate will be printed. It is also one of the great problem. Please careful. What will be the output of the following print statement? Printf percentages. So answer is going to be gate. Today's class, every problem is important. Please take care. Today's class, every problem is important. Please take care. Right? Fine. Perfect. Today's class, every problem is important. Please take care. Right. Let's move to next problem. Yeah, I think today's class, these are, everything is important. Please take care. Everything is important. Please take care. Someone is saying gate exam. Let's see. I will verify one more time, Shikhar. Because of you, I am verifying one more time. Maybe you are correct. Let's check. See, one thing is true. Only one will print. Right? Only one will print. See, printf. Only one will print. Which one will print? Only one. So it cannot print two. Gate exam cannot print. Only one will print. Because see, one printf only, how two will be printed? One printf only, how two will be printed? It cannot print two. It will print one only. Gate only. Will print. So I will see once again. See, P is 1000. Right? So next one, P arrow P, star P, inside 1000 you will go. Right? P. So 1036. So first arrow will give 1036. Next one, 1036 arrow B. Second arrow, star 1036 inside you go. Dot B means gate will be printed. It cannot print two values, one value only. So these are nice problems. Please go through it. One of them will come in the exam. Please go through it. Yeah, chalo. Yeah, see you in the next class.